Here's the DJI Mini 2, and the question is how to allow the camera to look higher than horizontal. To do that and to make that camera move higher because it's on horizontal, connect the drone to the application, come here to the three dots in the upper right corner and go here to control, and here we have allow upward gimbal rotation. So just move it a little bit up. Allow upward gimbal rotation, tap on it. Now it's blue, it's enabled, and now I can use on the remote control this wheel, and notice it went higher. So to the left it goes lower, to the right it goes higher. Okay, and if I disable this one, the camera will automatically look down a little bit, like so. Enable it, and you can move it higher than horizontal. Now it's looking up a little bit.